can see, so this is what the Pythagoras theorem, what they have given in the statement. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. Is equal to the what? Sum of the square of the remaining two sides. So first we will construct a right angle triangle. First we will construct a what? Right angle triangle. And please don't compare with the theorem which is given in your textbook. मैं exactly same diagram नहीं बनाने वाला हूँ, मैं concept clear कर रहा हूँ. Okay? तो तुम अगर मैच करोगे तो परेशान मत होना कि टेक्स्ट बुक में डायग्राम ऐसा दिया है, सर ने तो ऐसा बनाया. क्लियर है? तो बिल्कुल परेशान नहीं होना. तुम लोग को समझना इंपॉर्टेंट है. हम लोग कैसे प्रूफ करते हैं वो देखो. यू विल गेट द आइडिया. बहुत सिंपल है, कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. समझ में आ रहा है? देखो एकदम कितना सिंपल है, समझाता हूँ. So this first we will construct a right angle, because in a question they have given what? A right angle triangle. Okay, in a question they have given a right angle triangle. So let's say this is a right angle triangle. Now you all can see. अब भाई increase हो, join हुआ, very good. इधर भी जाके join हो, नहीं हुआ, क्या घटिया है ये. So everyone, you all can see your right angle triangle on your screen. Okay, and let's say this is what a right angle point. This is the right angle, 90 degree, creating 90 degree. Okay, I can give any name. Instead of A, B, C, P, Q, R, I can write any name. So I'm writing different name. In your textbook, they have given different name. Okay, तो तुम लोग उससे comparison नहीं करना. Mind पूरा open करके पूरा का पूरा focus करो इस screen पे. You will get the idea. मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ, ठीक है? तुम लोग को सिर्फ और सिर्फ similarities in right angle concept mind में रखना है. क्या रखना है mind में? Similarities in right angle triangle. Say this. Let's say मैं इसको लिखता हूँ KLM. If I will give name of this triangle is KLM. If I will write KLM. So what we get? See this. This is a triangle. They have given few things. So we will write the given at this place. We will write first given. Given में लिखेंगे कि triangle जो है KLM is a right angle triangle. Clear? Triangle KLM is what? A right angle triangle. ये question में दिया हुआ है. समझ में आ रहा है? है ना? समझाइए. Okay. What we have to prove? We will go for the proof part. We will go for the proof part and we will prove this one. So this is what we can prove at this place. As they have written in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse. So what we have hypotenuse in this figure? Anyone can answer me? What is hypotenuse? Anyone?
KM.
Yes.
KM is the hypotenuse.
KM is the hypotenuse. Perfect, Ashwarya. So we will write what? KM at this place. Very simple. We will write KM. So square of the KM. According to this statement, what I'm writing? Square of the hypotenuse. That is square of the hypotenuse. After that, what they have written? Square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. The sum of the square of the remaining two sides. The sum of the square of remaining two sides. So what we have remaining two sides? You all can see the remaining two sides. What we have?
KL.
KL and LM, right? So square of those two sides ka summation. So we will write KL inside the first bracket. And in the second bracket, we will write LM. I hope till now everything is clear. Is there any doubt in this? Anyone, any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
पक्का समझ में आया? तो
No, sir.
क्या लिखा है? क्लियर है सबको? Yes. So can we move further?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have one concept. That one is known as similarities in right angle triangle. We have one concept. That one is known as what? Similarities in right angle triangle. At this place, what they have given? At this place, what they have given? They have given a right angle, but they don't have given what? The perpendicular thing on the what? Hypotenuse. So we will do one thing. We will create a what? Construction. We will do a construction. That is what? On the hypotenuse KM from the what? Point L. So we will go for the next step, that is what? Construction. So we will write construction and we will write what? Draw, let's say LT. What I'm writing? LT perpendicular. Draw LT perpendicular to KM. Draw LT perpendicular to KM. Try to understand. This is what the perpendicular sign, उल्टा T दिख रहा है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे red color sign में देखो. You all can see that you will get a red color stuck line. You will get a red color line which is what coming from point L. Literally बहुत बकवास हो गया है ये. आज हम लोग जूम ये जो गूगल मीट है ना वो सीख के लेंगे. मैं इससे पागल हो गया हूँ. अयो एक लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ हो रहा है यार. क्या चल रहा है ये? अरे हद हो गई.
सर माउस खराब हो गया रहेगा.
अरे माउस बिल्कुल वर्क कर रहा है. दूसरा कलर वर्क कर रहा है. ये कलर वर्क नहीं कर रहा है. क्या बोलूं मैं? किसी ने नजर लगा दिया है. ये देख माउस वर्क कर.
ऐप ही वैसा है.
ये ऐप ही घटिया है. ये देखो.
हाँ सर बहुत.
चलो अपना कुछ तो काम आया. इसी से हम लोग इसी भरोसे सीख लिए. LT. Let's say this is what a point T. Yeah. So this is what our construction. You all can see this. This is what our construction. We will move further. कुछ लोग गायब हो चुका है मुझे लग रहा है. ऑनलाइन सब लोग नहीं है. कुछ लोग गायब हो गए हैं. Very good. So we'll go for the next step. Everyone say this. The next step. Very simple. Very very simple. अच्छा ये डायग्राम देख के कुछ याद आ रहा है? ये डायग्राम देख के कुछ याद आ रहा है क्या?
Yes sir.
Similarities in right angle triangle. You all can see in this. Yes, देखो यहाँ पे ये याद आया. अगर ऐसा कुछ डायग्राम दिखा तो मेरे पास में 3 ट्राइंगल तीनों आपस में क्या होगा? सिमिलर होगा. Yes or no? अगर मुझे ऐसा कुछ कंसेप्ट मिला तो we have 3 triangles. All 3 are what? Similar to each other. Yes or no? So very simple. What we will do? We will solve. Bhumika, now I am audible to you. Bhumika, you are not in network, I guess. Okay. So according to what I will write at this place, we will simply write proof, and we will go further. मैं यहाँ पे simple सा लिखूंगा. By similarities in right angle triangle. What I am writing say this. At this place I will mention by similarity in right angle triangle. अच्छा similarities in right angle triangle से हमने एक चीज सीखा है. क्या सीखा याद है तुम लोगों को? कि तीनों एंगल जो है भूमिका यू आर नॉट इन नेटवर्क. Okay, by the similarities in right angle triangle, I can write this one. Say this. You all can see. You will get the idea what I'm writing. I can write triangle KLM जो है. चलो कोई बताएगा KLM किसके किसके सिमिलर होगा? दूसरा ट्राइंगल का नेम कौन बताएगा? Anyone?
KLM.
KTL.
KTL. So this is what similar to triangle KTL. तीसरा ट्राइंगल क्या होगा सिमिलर? तीसरा ट्राइंगल का नेम क्या बोल सकता हूँ?
MTL.
Again who is answering?
LTM.
LTM. Perfect. We will start from L. Bhumika क्या कर रही तुम लोग? We will write at this place what? Triangle LTM. समझा? So because of the similarities in right angle triangle, these two triangles are what? Similar to each other. Mika, am I audible to you? समझ में आ रहा है ये triangle?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, so now these three triangles are what? Similar to each other. So what we will do now, we will focus on these two triangles. मैं सिर्फ ये दोनों पे फोकस करता हूँ. So मैं इधर लिखूंगा now. Triangle KLM is similar to triangle KTL. Try to understand what I have written. Triangle KLM is similar to triangle KTL. So what I can write, we can write the corresponding sides ratio, that is KL, पहला दूसरा लेटर, तो इसका पहला दूसरा लेटर क्या है? KT. That is equal to इसका पहले ट्रायंगल का दूसरा तीसरा लेटर, तो दूसरे ट्रायंगल का भी दूसरा तीसरा लेटर, that is what? LM divided by what? TL. दिख रहा है? Yes, दिख रहा है क्या तुम लोग को? And then
Yes, sir.
what we can do, the first and third letter, you all can see this, first and third letter क्या है? KM, और इधर क्या है? KL. So we will write at this place KM, and below that we will write what? KL. समझ में आया क्या? अच्छा, इसका लिए रीजन क्या लिखूंगा? Corresponding sides of similar triangle, CSST. समझ में आ रहा है? दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर हुआ तो what we can write? The corresponding sides ratios. What we can write? The corresponding sides ratios. नो इश्यूज कृपाली, वापस से मैं रिपीट कर देता हूं, परेशान मत हो, मैं समझा रहा हूं. ये समझ में आया क्या सबको? बाकी लोग को समझ में आ रहा है? काव्यन क्या कर रहा है यार तू? See this, what I have done, because of the right angle, similarities in right angle triangle, the complete triangle is similar to KTL, is similar to LTM. So these three triangles are what? Similar to each other. So what I have done, I have taken first two triangle, and what we have done, Alok, स्क्रीन पे प्लीज कोई हाथ मत रखो, प्लीज, इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. तुम लोग स्क्रीन पे हाथ रखोगे तो स्क्रीन पे ड्राइंग फॉर्म होगा, उधर कुछ ना कुछ डिजाइन बनेगा. ओके, so this, if we take first two triangle name, that is KLM and KTL. So what we get in KTL and KLM, we can write simply we can write the what? Corresponding sides ratios. We can write what? The corresponding sides ratios. So this is what the corresponding sides ratio. First two, second third, first third. You all can see this. KL, KT, LM, TL, KM, KL. दिख रहा है? सब लिखा है. अच्छा, you all can simply see that the KL ना दो places पे दिख रहा है. दिख रहा है KL दो places पे, एक यहाँ पे, एक यहाँ पे. तो मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट इससे है ही नहीं कुछ, तो मैं ये पहला देखो पहला और तीसरा रेशियोज लेता हूँ. तो KL into KL become what? KL square. Yes or no? KL into KL become what? KL square, and that is equal to what? That become what? KT into KM. What we can write at this place? Simply we can write KT into KM. समझा क्या? ये यहां तक सबको समझा?
हाँ सर.
Everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
चलो, कुछ लोग के नौटंकी स्टार्ट हो गए, बहुत बढ़िया, भगवान थारा भला करे. Okay, now we will move further, and now we will take what? The first and third ratio. See this, first and third triangle, ये दोनों triangle लेंगे अब. So यहाँ पे लिखेंगे similarly. I will write at this place similarly. ठीक है? We can write what? Triangle KLM. Triangle what? We are writing triangle KLM. is similar to triangle LTM. समझ में आ रहा है? सिमिलर टू ट्राइंगल LTM. ओके, जब ये रेशियोज लिखा तो मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? KL के साथ में क्या लिखूंगा? KL के नीचे में क्या लिखूं बताओ? मैंने पहले ट्राइंगल से
LT.
KL लिया तो दूसरा क्या लिखूंगा? LT. परफेक्ट.
LT.
नेक्स्ट लिखूंगा इक्वल टू LM. तो LM के नीचे क्या लिखूं?
TM.
TM. तीसरा मैं लिखूंगा KM, तो उसके नीचे क्या लिखूं?
LM. LM.
परफेक्ट. तो ये समझ में आ रहा है ना मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? सबको क्लियर है ना ये, या किसी को डाउट है इसमें?
Yes, sir.
पक्का सबको क्लियर हो रहा है ये? और एनी डाउट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you all can say this. We have LM and LM. That is what common at both the places. दिख रहा है यहाँ और यहाँ पे, ये दोनों जगह पे दिख रहा है. Yes or no? दिख रहा है क्या सबको?
Yes.
पक्का?
Yes.
Okay, तो मैं सिंपली इसको भूल जाऊंगा, ये मैं भूल जाए, बस ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा. जब इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, we get LM square that is equal to, try to understand, we get what? TM into KM. This is what equation number 2 we have. This is what equation number 2. समझ में आया क्या ये? समझा सबको? यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anyone? If you have doubt, you can ask me. No issues. कोई ऐसा है जिसको डाउट है इसमें? सूरज
No,
क्लियर
sir.
हुआ? सबको क्लियर है यहाँ तक? अब
Yes.
बहुत सिंपल है, प्रूफ हो गया. यहाँ पे लिखेंगे adding 1 and 2. What I have written, adding 1 and 2. So what we get? See this. Below this, we can write at this place when we will add 1 and 2. So left hand side will add with left hand side. So we can write that KL square this we will add with what? LM square. This we will add with what? LM square. What I will get, that is equal to, I have not written equal sign at this place. I am writing below that. So don't get confused. This is what addition of the left hand side. The upside is what? Addition of the left hand side. And the downside is what? Addition of the right hand side. That is what? In the first bracket we have KT. With the product is what? With the product KM. You all can see this. And then there is a what we will write big plus sign at this place, that you will get the idea. This is the now the next equation, that is what? TM. Right hand side of the next equation, that is TM. So we will write at this place TM, and into at this place we write KM. Yes, clear to everyone? This one is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so left hand side में ऐसे रहने देता हूँ, right hand side में दोनों में मुझे KM common दिख रहा है, KM is common. So we can take KM outside. So inside bracket what we get? In a first term KT, then there is a plus sign, big plus sign, and the second term is what? TM.
Yeah.
Okay, now focus on your diagram, what you have made to the left hand side of your screen. See this, to the left hand side of your screen you can see your diagram. That diagram, you will get the idea. That diagram is what? Is a right angle triangle diagram. Just read KT and TM. Just read KT and TM. You will get the idea. KT and TM. Just read it.
KT plus TM equals to KM.
KM. So we have outside KM. We have outside is what? KM. And again, addition of the inside things, what we get? Again, we get KM only.
KM.
Yes or no? So km and km will get multiplied, and what we get, km square.
4 square.
Yes or no? That become what? Km square. So therefore, in this way, the left hand side what we have said is KL square plus LM square is equal to what? What we have now? Km square. So we can write that Km square is equal to the upside. What we have? KL square plus LM square. अच्छा, ये जो हम लोगों ने ऐड किया है ना यहाँ पे, सो इसके लिए जो हमने km लिखा है ना, उसके लिए एक रीजन बता देंगे हम लोग कि k डैश t डैश m है. अच्छा, ये क्यों लिखा हूं? क्योंकि मैं इन तीनों को ऐड किया. सी दिस, kt एंड tm को ऐड किया तो व्हाट वी गेट km. मैंने t जो है km के ऊपर ही है, ये तीनों कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स है. सो वी नो द कांसेप्ट ऑफ द कोलिनियर. When we will add the smaller two sides, that become what the bigger one. That is what the equal to the bigger one. Clear हुआ? And this is what the our requirement. ये required था ना यहाँ पे हम लोग को. This is what the our requirement. So ये क्या हो गया? Proof हो गया. है ना? So at the end we will write hence proved. Clear? Yes, everyone clear with this?
Yes, sir.